Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel. I am Mahian Jalil. Today I am going to show you how to get the online NID copy. So without any further ado, let's go into the video. At first we have to go a browser. Then we have to search for NID. Then this link will come. After that we have to go into this link. Then we have to choose register. After that we have to register a form. Then we have to go register again. Okay, now I have to give two kinds of number. One, my NID number, or my form number. Now I am giving my form number. Then comes my birthday. I am giving my birthday. Now I have to write those words in this picture. It's R C G 2 W. Then I have to submit it. Okay. Now this is come my addresses. My present address, my permanent address. I have to choose my present address. Now I am giving my address, present address. Okay, now I have to choose my permanent address. Okay, I am done for it. Now I have go to next. Now a verification code will send to your number, and now I am giving it. Okay, I have received my verification code number. It's 786756. Then I have to go for next. Oh, sorry, 786756. Okay, now the most important things come. Now I have to download an application called NID Wallet. After that we have to open that apps, and we have to scan the keywords code, and after that we this application take a photo of me. So I am taking my photos. Okay, it works, and after that this come, and we have to now say passwords. It's not compulsory, it's optional to make to choose a username. I chose Mahian Jalil 8, and my password, and again I have to write my password and then update. Oh, this username is used, so I have to choose another one. Okay, it comes. Now I have to download my NID copy. and it's my NID copy. Yeah, this is my online NID copy, and we can use it for anything, anywhere I want to. So this is the way I have to found the online NID copy. After seeing this video, I think you can easily get the online NID copy. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.